The stock market in China rebounded overnight, putting a stop to the three-day slide that wiped 11% off of China's main stock market index. The Shanghai Composite rose more than 3%, but it's still down about 25% from its peak in mid-June. And it's the 90 million retail investors in that country that are the real casualties, including a rural farmer who spoke about his financial and emotional pain with Eunice Yoon.
Far from Wall Street and the financial capital of Shanghai, farmer Yang Cheng saw his dream of getting rich disappear in the stock market. Yang began investing in 2008 from the remote town of Panzhihua in southwest China. He lost everything. "I feel so hopeless," he says. Traditionally, average Chinese shun the stock market as an unreliable investment. But that changed in 2014 when the government started promoting stocks as part of a grand plan to open the economy and expand the role of markets here. Yang put his savings of $164,000 in the bull market and invested his relatives' money too. He bet it all on one stock, a local mining company. When the market climbed to 4,000 points, I realized the risks were pretty high, he says. However, public opinion on government policies affected my judgment. But what doomed him was margin trading. His brokerage convinced him to try it. He borrowed $1 million, more than 5 times his portfolio. When the market hit a low point in early July, his brokerage forced him to liquidate. In an ironic twist, he now owes roughly the same amount he originally invested.
Yang isn't alone. At brokerages across the country, hundreds of thousands of ordinary investors have been caught off guard by all the volatility. Many of them have suffered catastrophic losses.
Yang bought a train ticket to Beijing. Like many investors, he traveled to the offices of the leadership and the stocks regulator, but was turned away. "I don't know what to do. I trusted the government too much," he says. "I won't touch stocks again." Returning home empty-handed, the full weight of the family crisis sinks in. "I have ruined everyone in my family," he laments. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Eunice Yoon in Panzhihua.